You think you know birds? Think again. Meet the Kookaburra, Australia's king of comedy. That iconic laugh you hear, it's not a joke. It's a territorial warning to other Kookaburras, basically saying, this branch ain't big enough for the two of us. But here's the craziest part. These feathered jesters are stone-cold carnivores. They're famous for their snake-whacking technique, grabbing a snake, flying up high, and then dropping it repeatedly until it's ready for dinner. Talk about tenderizing your meal. They also have a surprisingly strong family life, with older siblings sticking around to help raise the younger chicks. So they're not just fierce predators, but also dedicated babysitters. Who knew this laughing bird was such a complex character? If you enjoyed these wild facts, smash that subscribe button for more amazing animal secrets. See you next time.